How do you add a measure to a tooltip in Tableau? In this example, I have a bar chart of customer and total sales. I'd like to add another value to the tooltip. By default, tooltips are the dimension and measures that are included in the view. In this case, I have the customer and the total sales. I can add another measure by dragging sales margin onto the tooltip shelf and hovering over to see that sales margin is now part of the tooltip. I can edit the tooltip by clicking on tooltip and editing. I can do simple changes like font size, bold, italic, and so on. And I can pass in values. So at any time if you want to pass in a value from the bar, click insert and then pass in whichever value you want to put in. So let's put sum of sales margin and make it a little bigger, bold, and a different color. Click OK. And I've added a measure to a tooltip in Tableau. Hope this helps.